Hi everybody, this is Deb from D&D Art Gallery. Hope you're all doing well today. Today I'm going to do a flower dip, and I have a little 8x8 canvas here, all prepared on the back with my push pins and my tape to keep it clean. Although with this type of a painting, not much paint is going to run over the edge, but I want to give a shout out first of all to Fiona Art. She does a lot of flower dips and reverse flower dips, and they are beautiful. So if you get a chance, check out her site, Fiona Art. Thanks, Fiona. I've been watching you for a while and hopefully learned how to do this technique. So let's get started. I've marked my canvas size here, and I put down a base coat of white Artist Loft Flow Acrylic. And I'm going to just add my paints, and they're all in the little squeeze bottles today. So I think I'm going to start out with the turquoise. We just had a little storm go through here, and hopefully it cooled things off. I'm in Michigan, and we've had some hot weather lately, but it's to be expected. Almost August in Michigan is usually hot. It's not so much the heat, it's the humidity. That was the orange. Let's put some red in there. These are little 2-ounce squeeze bottles, and I believe I got them on Amazon. Some yellow. Let's try some green. Might have to clear the tip of the screen a little bit. It's kind of clogged up. See if I can get it to come out a little better. Whoops. Oh yes, coming out better now. Okay, let's try some more red. You can see why this is so much fun, trying to make your design up. Looks like I missed here on the red. just put some green out here. Okay, and I do have a little bit of gold. I think I'll try and put a little bit of gold in here and there. Maybe a little more red. Okay. Just deciding if I want to have any more colors in there. It looks good to me, so let's turn it over. And I did put a little bit of white on my corners, edges, just to get it, just to make sure I had some paint on there. Okay, just gently press it down, gently rub it, tap it. If mine turns out anything like Fiona's, I'll be extremely happy. Hers are beautiful. Okay, let's see what we have here. Now picking it up. Well, that is certainly different. I do like it. I love the colors. Beautiful. I'll show you the paint down at the bottom first before I put my canvas on top. That's beautiful. I'm going to do a torch here. I do see some little cells. I'm going to try and just mouth blow this a little bit to see if it does anything. I really like the turquoise and the orange in there together. That's really, really pretty. Pretty happy with it. So I'll try another torch here. Make sure I get all the air bubbles out. So let me know what you think. If you like it, give me a thumbs up. Subscribe. Let me bring it up for you to get a closer look. Very, very pretty. Love the colors. Love that color combination. So again, give me a thumbs up if you like it, and subscribe, and check out our Etsy store if you'd like. And until next time, take care. This is Deb, over and out. Bye-bye.